Welcome back to Unique Beauty, guys. So today's topic, as you can see, we're going to make some carrot oil for stretch marks and then some black soap to cleanse that skin for this summer, guys. Then after that, I will be showing you how to mix your cream. Yes, so it's good you get the fresh carrots, like organic and with orange. So we're going to start with the carrot oil first. Before further ado, let's get to the topic. As you can see, this is all the fresh ingredients we're going to be need for making our oil, soap, and then everything. So making the black soap, I'll show you the ingredients later. This is the oil first. So these are all what you're going to need. You're going to need your fresh orange. If you try to get organic, is good. And organic carrot, as you can see, it still has the leaf. That shows it's organic. Yeah, organic carrot is really good for the skin. Yeah, and that's fresh aloe vera. And these are all the oil, the barrel oil, pure sweet almond oil, lavender oil for scent, then with extra virgin oil. But you can use one or two that you think it goes with your skin. It's all good. This is just what good for me, for my skin. Yeah, because it's summer coming as well. This is the lavender for body oil. It's really good. It smells nice. Yeah, and then the pure almond oil. It's really good. Then the barrel oil, as we all know, barrel oil works for some people for their stretch marks. Some people it doesn't, but it works for my stretch marks, yes. Because I used to have really bad stretch marks and now they're getting better with this oil I'm using. Yeah, you just have to be consistent when you're using them. So that way you will not have problem. You will see fast results. But it's when people use it today, then they switch to something else. Tomorrow they go to this and they switch. You won't see the results. You have to stick to it. Yeah, I've been sticking to it for years now. I've been using it. So it's best you get the expensive one, which is £20. Yeah, they sell it £20 in all these pharmacies. If you go to Booth, anywhere, yeah, you can get them. Yeah, guys, so please, once we finish to make the oil, the aloe vera, the carrots, and the orange, I'm going to clean them now off camera. Yes, so later on I'll show you how to make the soap, the black soap, the pure Sierra Leone black soap. They really got the best pure black soap. And then also I'll be showing you how to mix how I mix my cream as well for my stretch marks, the things that I use. I'll just go briefly with that. I will not go into details because of some people have different creams they use. It's just to show you the way I do it. Yes, guys, so please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and then comment. Let me get everything ready now. So I'm washing the carrots. You just peeled it just like so, and then with the orange, the aloe vera, I did it off camera because it takes time, but I got lots of videos that you can just watch how to peel your aloe vera. Yeah, so with the orange, I'm just gonna need the peel. Then I'm using 2 carrots, as you can see, just 2 carrots. But if you're doing it for a larger quantity, I guess you just have to add more. Yeah, then you choose the oil that goes resonate with your skin. Yeah, so please, you can use a grater like this. Use the small one, so that way the carrots, the orange, the aloe vera, you'll be able to attract everything. Because the way I'm going to cook them, I'm using the double method. Yeah, because that way all the nutrients will be locked in. Yes, because of we don't want to fry it. If you fry it, the nutrients just go away. But when you use the double method, which is coming up soon, you'll be seeing it how I do it. So everything is been grated, and then now you don't need to use too much orange as well. Too much orange is overpowering as well. It take over the smell. But if you just use small quantity like that, it's quite good, to be honest. So I'm going to put the cooker on and then just leave the water to boil. Then also, because I'll be using a glass bowl to do this double method, just like so, don't put too much water, because if it's boiling, the water will be going into the oil, so you need to avoid it. Just make sure the water is at the bottom. Yeah, So I'm going ahead now to add the oil. All these oils are just good for stretch marks. They help glow the skin, smooth and soft, make your skin shine. Go ahead and stir all the oil together, just like so. Then you can see the orange peel is just small quantity. And then with the 2 carrots, I'm adding, yeah, and add the aloe vera, the blend aloe vera. So all the oil together I'm using is 500 ml. Once you add all your fresh ingredients, then you stir it just like so. Keep stirring it. Try not the water to be too full. You see, I've made that mistake. The water was too full. Yeah, then I end up reducing it. Yeah. So you leave it like this for 10, because it's lot of oil. The oil is about 500 ml. So at least I'm gonna leave it at least for 30 to 40 minutes to cook, just like so. Yeah, you have to leave it to cook really nice. Yeah, even up to an hour is still good, because the nutrients are locking in. You can see there is small like liquid there, which is really good for your stretch mark, so it doesn't allow your body to go dry when you leave a little bit, because the aloe vera, it's watery, isn't it? So there is little bit, and the carrot, and yeah, so this is the reason why I use 500 ml of oil, because of the aloe vera, and then the carrot was a lot. So if you're making it a lot, try to use more oil. So once all it's cooked and everything, then you're going to ferment it. Just put the cling film like that. You ferment it for 2 days or 1 day. After then, you just strain it with anything that you use to strain it. So I'm using something like that. So you can get the oil out like this first, then put the oil aside. Then afterwards, you can go ahead and squeeze it. You squeeze it. So when you squeeze it, then you get all that juice coming out. Yes, you can do it that way. So now that remaining carrots, aloe vera, I'm going to use it for the black soap. Oh my God, guys, this is so nice. So that's the black soap. I'm going to use 2 cups of black soap. Then I'll be using that remaining carrot and the aloe vera. Then with glycerin. Then with some African honey that I have. Yeah, so I'm going ahead now and put the black soap. As you can see, it's already start melting. This is really good. It's easy to melt. I did not add no water. It's just gonna melt by itself, because this is made out of leaf. If you want to go ahead and add serum, just like so, but I will not be adding serum. This is not bleaching soap. Yeah, I'm adding my honey, my African honey, then with 3% of glycerin. You don't want to add too much. Then the cooked carrot and aloe vera, I'm adding it on now. Yeah, then you stir very well. Yeah, in this stage as well, if you have like your any kind of shampoo or conditioner you use for your body, you can go ahead and add some of it, just like so. Yeah, because I'm adding some black soap and shea butter that I use. This is really good as well. You can go ahead and add it, because that will help with the bubbles as well. Yeah, so you just add the amount you want to add. If you got like scrub, body scrub, you can go ahead and add it. It's all good for your stretch mark and cleanse your body very well. You know, it just makes sure your body soft and clean when you use black soap for your body. Yeah, so no added water, no added water. It melts by itself and it's going to set again. Once it's cooled down, it's going to set again. So try not to use too much liquid of the shower gel or the honey or the glycerin, you know, or the serum. Try not to use too much of it. So that way it allows it to set again. Yeah, just use the quantity that you're going to be need. So this is all the black soap, the oil. You can see this is the oil, that's the black soap. All is ready. These are all the stuff I'm going to need to mix my cream, guys. You can use whatever. Precious Perfect, this is the new cream. It's really good for skin. And then the cocoa butter. Then this is good for stretch mark. This Caro White is, it's like a serum. It boosts the skin. Even if you're bleaching, is really good. So I've gone ahead now and I've add everything, because I don't want this video to go too long. As you can see, when I squeeze that You see the juice it gives me? That is really good for your cream. It's really good. So you mix everything like that. Your cream will not go bad. It will not make your skin itch. You know, maybe the first time it will make it itch, but after you get used to it, it will not make your body itch. So this is all, guys. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like if you haven't done so. Yes, share the video. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you soon. Love you.